Every once in a while, you see a tremor in the world of AI, a new open source project that doesn't just promise to catch up, but to actually compete. What if that moment is happening right now? Hey everyone, it's Mike from Mike's AI Forge. Today, we're diving into what might be one of the most significant open source releases of the year. I was browsing GitHub when I saw something explode to the top of the trending charts, a new project from Alibaba called Tongyi DeepResearch. This isn't just another language model, it's a full-blown AI agent designed for one purpose: deep, complex, long-horizon research. And the question we have to ask is, does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. Our journey starts at the source, the official GitHub repository. The first thing that stands out is the community's reaction. In a very short time, it's gathered over 14,500 stars and became the #1 trending repository of the day. That's a clear signal that developers are paying close attention. As we scroll down, we get to the core of what this is. They describe it as an agentic large language model built specifically for deep information-seeking tasks. This means it's designed to do more than just answer a question. It's designed to go out, explore multiple sources, and synthesize a comprehensive answer, much like a human researcher would. The proof they offer is in the benchmarks, and what we see here is stunning. Across a range of academic and practical tests, from humanities' last exam to complex browser-based tasks, the Deep Research agent isn't just competing with established models like OpenAI's O3 and O4 Mini. In many key areas, it's significantly outperforming them. This is an open source model operating at a closed source, elite level. But benchmarks on a page are one thing. How does it perform in a real-world test? The model is available on platforms like Hugging Face, but for a live test, we're heading over to OpenRouter. Here it is, the Tongyi DeepResearch model, ready to go. We're going to give it a task that perfectly matches its name. Our prompt is, research the latest advances in AI agents. Include 5 credible sources, papers, blogs, or company posts. Summarize key breakthroughs in under 500 words. We're also enabling the web search function, giving it live access to the internet. Let's see what it does. Now, as it's processing, I want to show you the most important feature here, the reasoning dropdown. This is the AI's internal monologue. It's showing its work, step by step. It understands the user's request, it identifies the sources it's looking at, and it begins to structure a comprehensive summary. This transparency is what separates a simple tool from a true agent. And here's the result. A perfectly structured summary of key breakthroughs, from enhanced reasoning and planning to multimodal perception. It has identified 6 major trends, and crucially, it has cited its sources with direct links. This is exactly what you'd want from a professional research assistant. It didn't just find information, it understood it, categorized it, and presented it with proof. And I'm not the only one who's noticed this project is making waves. The broader AI community is buzzing. VentureBeat published an article titled "The DeepSeek Moment for AI Agents is Here," framing this as a pivotal release. Another blog, AppyDog, asked the question directly, will Tongyi DeepResearch make OpenAI's agents obsolete? This is the level of disruption we're talking about. Over on X, software engineers are calling the release huge, highlighting its agentic capabilities and its power to crush existing benchmarks. And on Reddit, in communities like local LLama, developers are already deep in discussion, dissecting the mixture of experts' architecture and figuring out the best hardware to run it on. This isn't just a corporate release, it's a genuine grassroots movement in the open source world. So, we've seen a powerful new agent, but it's part of a much bigger picture. All these incredible tools, XPLE for finding clients, ClickUp for managing projects, and Deep Research for analyzing the market. They all form an ecosystem. The problem is, keeping track of the best tools and how to use them can be overwhelming. So, we've seen a powerful new agent, but let's look at the architecture that makes this possible, because this is where the business opportunity truly begins. As we can see in this Apidog article, at its core, Tongyi DeepResearch uses a mixture of experts, or MoE architecture. Now, what does that actually mean? Instead of using a single, massive brain for every task, an MoE model has a collection of specialized experts. When you give it a research task, it intelligently routes the problem to only the most relevant experts. The result? It reduces latency by up to 90% compared to traditional models. This efficiency is the key. It means you can run an incredibly powerful 30 billion parameter model without needing a supercomputer, making it viable for real-time agent deployments. This is how you build a profitable service on top of AI, by leveraging efficiency to keep your operational costs low. And it gets better. The agent was created using a fully automated training pipeline. Specifically, it learns through trial and error in a simulated environment based on Wikipedia's knowledge base. Think about what that means. It's not just a static tool. It's built on a foundation of self-learning. It's designed to explore, perform actions, and improve on its own. For anyone looking to build a business on this, that is a monumental advantage. You're building on a platform that is designed to get smarter over time with less need for manual, human-labeled data. But the most critical piece of the puzzle for any business is performance. How does it actually stack up against the big players you'd have to pay for, like OpenAI? The benchmarks are astonishing. In a head-to-head comparison, Tongyi DeepResearch outperforms OpenAI's O3 on key academic exams and deep search benchmarks. Against Google's Gemini, it shows a significant 10-point edge in some areas. This is the core of the business model. You could start a research as a service agency tomorrow. While your competitors are paying premium API fees for closed source models, you could be running this more powerful specialized agent for a fraction of the cost, either locally or through an affordable endpoint like OpenRouter. You can deliver higher quality results at a higher profit margin. And this isn't just theoretical. The technology has already been deployed in real-world applications. GoudMate, an in-app travel planner, uses the agent to create personalized itineraries. And Tongyi Fahui is a legal research assistant that performs tasks similar to a junior legal professional. This is Mike's AI Forge, a central hub I've created to bring together all the essential, battle-tested AI utilities you need to build your own projects and businesses. And I'm making it available to you, my community, for free. Inside, you'll find a hand-picked AI tools directory so you can discover the best-in-class software without spending hours searching. These are the tools I personally test and vouch for. More importantly, we have the Forge utilities. These are powerful, one-click tools I built to solve real problems for creators and entrepreneurs. You can generate viral titles for your videos, get a summary of a competitor's content, or even get thumbnail ideas. These are professional-grade tools designed to give you a real-world advantage. I believe everyone should have access to the tools they need to build their vision. That's why I'm opening up the Forge. I want to give you the utilities that can help you find your audience, grow your brand, and yes, even make money. This free access won't last forever, but for everyone watching now, I'm inviting you in. Click the first link in the description below to create your free account and get instant access to the entire platform. I'm building this for you, and I want to hear what you think. Thanks for forging with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.